Dan Moscato here, your Ottawa real estate broker. Enjoy my summer 2024 drone footage of the Ottawa River while I give you my 6-month Ottawa real estate update, followed by current mortgage rates, inflation, and my take on where we're at. According to OREB, home sales were below the 10-year average by 13.2%, but still 4.2% higher than last year. Buyers are being more selective, but we've recovered from last year's slowdown and continue to make progress. Just remember that inventory levels and competition can change quickly in Ottawa's tight market. The price for a single family home was $734,000, almost identical to June 2023. Townhomes were $501,000 and apartments were $420,800, both slightly lower than last year. New listings were up almost 5% from June of 2023, and levels were just 1% below the 10-year average. It's taking a little longer to sell at 2.5 months of inventory compared to 1.7 months. So, according to the numbers, the Ottawa real estate market is averaging pretty well compared to the last 10 years of activity. There's been so much hype about the impending crash. You almost get the feeling the cash rich are trying to pressure us into selling low. According to ratehub.ca, here are the best mortgage rates from the big five banks. I've had some of these rates over the last many years. So what? Our inflation rate in June was 2.7%. That's down from 2.9% in May. Everything's going in the right direction. And the Bank of Canada rate was lowered to 4.75% on June 5th. The next rate announcement is July 24th. So, what's keeping prices up? Well, demand is still outpacing the amount of available supply. My advice as a 40-year property owner, investor, and realtor is to live your life. Get out there, shop your new home, buy something you can afford, and get into the market. Enjoy the rest of your summer.